bad Tuesday net off here. Hello everyone. So today I have some foods that have rice and fish to my pet that I feed at home. So just some, and with the other small puppy. I don't know where he is now. So I have some food. Go to see me how I put the food to my dog. Have go. Let's go. I call them meow. Just coming, everyone. So I have around 6 or 8 pets in the baby mother house. We just wait for lunch after teacher, and I spend the time to give the food to all of them. Just coming. Okay, everyone, just what you give? It's delicious for you. Do you smell good? Okay, no. Wait till the others just coming. There's a lot of. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the big family in the baby mother house. I want to share you about the poor dog. That is stray dog in the student exam. I don't know. He was coming, but just walk in school, and now he's better. You want it? Yummy. Okay. So it's very nice, all of you, to be kind, all the poor dogs, stray cats, and share the food to all of the animal like dog, cat, who need your help. Yes. So share with them. Okay, share some, and here's some as well. It's okay. Just some. Okay, with the other. Okay, so everyone, please help me to subscribe my YouTube channel, Volunteer Food Channel. Volunteer Food Channel is a channel to raise and to help and to save the dog and cat was abandoned on the road. As you see, it's very beautiful. All of you help me to subscribe YouTube channel. Thank you.